Challenge number 110, capitalize. Implement capitalize T, which converts the first letter of a string to uppercase and leave the rest as is. For example, capitalize hello world with everything lowercase is expected to be hello world with a capital H. We can do that with the built-in capitalize of S, but I guess that's not what we want to do because it would kind of be cheating. So let's think about how we can do that. This is again string manipulation, so we have to check if S extends a string of the format where we infer the first letter, which we will then capitalize, and then infer the rest. Oh, we're getting a weird error here saying you're not subscribed to the channel, so you better fix that error so we can go on. If the string is of the pattern, it has some first and some rest, then we're gonna uppercase first and put all of that into a new string and then attach the rest. Otherwise, we put never. Alright, that looks already pretty good. All test cases pass except for empty string, which probably does not fit this case. So we should return here the string itself, because otherwise this will result in never because it's a string with no length. Yeah, that's already it. Hope the solution helped. Please let me know in the comments what your solutions are if you have any questions. And if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.